Hey, what's up YouTube? This is the TCGs coming at you with another video. Just got some packs, the blister pack with Salamence in it, and was hoping I can crack this baby up for you and show you what I get inside. Alright, so I opened her up and I got the Froakie coin out of it, so that's pretty cool. And then you get the Salamence card. Give you guys a quick look at that quick. And then I got 3 packs. I got a couple shiny Mega Rayquazas and a Hoopa. Alright, so let's get the cracking them open. So first with the Rayquaza pack. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Alright, so we got Oddish. Trying to get it to focus for you guys. Beldum. Goomy. Meowth. Larvesta. Blossom. Energy, Special Energy. Flash Energy. That's pretty cool. Porygon 2. Reverse is a Vespiquen. That's an uncommon. And then rare is a Porygon Z. So, alright. First pack. Started out with alright pulls. Next pack, another Rayquaza pack. If I can get it open. Alright, code card. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Alright, so we got Malamar, Oddish, another Meowth, Combee. I don't know why it's not focusing. Alright, there we go. Combee, Quagsire, Matang, Hex Maniac. So, I'll check out what that does later. A Rotom, a Reverse Goomy. So I always like those reverse dragons. And then a Porygon Z Ancient Trait. That thing's pretty gnarly looking. That's pretty cool. Alright, so last pack. It's a Hoopa. Come on, give me that EX. Please. Alright. And like I said, daily code card, so here's that code card for you today. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Well, not daily, but videoly, yeah. Alright, so we got Golett, Magikarp, Ralts, Wooper, Baltoy, Ancient Trait, Lysandre. That's pretty cool. That's a good card. Another Vespiquen, Ampro Spirit Link Trainer, an Entei Ancient Trait. That thing is sick. That is cool ass looking card. Alright. And our rare is a Regice. So, I mean, we got alright pulls. Not the greatest, but we got that Porygon Z Ancient Trait Holo. And I really like this Entei reverse. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.